Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir closed up 4 cents today. So we closed at $21.07. That's up 0.19%. Post-market, we are down 5 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We made a higher low than yesterday, and we also made a higher high of the day. And we have a longer wick at the bottom here to show some buying pressure and a little bit of a selling pressure towards the end of the day. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. We had this resistance right here. Let me try the highlighter. So we had this resistance right here, and we opened outside of it today. We opened outside of it during the first hour, and then went straight down to the support. Went straight down to that support right here, and we bounced back up. Bounced back up. Second hour was a green candle. Third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour. So the stock recovered quite well, and we closed outside above this resistance right here. So that's a sign of strength, if there ever was one. So right now we are hovering just a little bit over $21, and we had this little resistance during the day at $21.20. We are continuing to do our higher lows. We are making higher lows, but in terms of the highs, we are pretty much even Steven. So this is an ascending triangle, because we have a horizontal line here on top. So what this suggests, we might do another drop down like this, but what this suggests is that we should be breaking over 21.20 eventually, and that should be a bigger move. This is what the theory says on the 1 hour chart here. And our stochastic is at 75, so decent stochastic. So this move was a decent move right here. And MACD close to crossing over the 2 lines above 0, and DMI also close to crossing over. I think we are seeing the first clues of a reversal, actually. This is what this looks like. On the daily chart, things will take longer to be seen on the daily chart. So stochastic still at 14. RSI at 34, and MACD negative, and DMI also negative. So it's going to take longer there, but on the 1 hour chart, we see some glimpse of hope. Today is the perfect time to treat yourself to a paid subscription for TradingView for 60% off. So click on my link down below, and you can get, because it is Cyber Monday, you can get a paid subscription for 60% off. So if you have been on the fence, this is the day that you need to do it. You can also become a YouTube member. There's no discount for that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.